Where should we go for our holidays? My mum dreams about the seaside. My dad wants to go fishing and hunting in the north. My sister is asking our parents to send her to one of the European capitals. My little brother is happy at Granny's countryside house. There are chickens, rabbits, and even a cow there. What do I want? I like staying at home, playing computer games, surfing the net, reading and playing volleyball with my friends in the playground. To tell the truth, all of them have left for the holidays, but I chat with them on the internet. By the way, I have some letters from them. Hi Tom, we're in the camp at last. The road was awful. We spent the whole day in the bus, but this place is worth it. It's hidden in a deep pine forest. There is nobody around. There is a huge blue lake near the camp. Our leader says that we have a lot of things to do. Tomorrow we're going to the forest to collect dry branches for firewood. The day after tomorrow, we're going to kayak in the lake. Today we are exhausted and don't want to do anything. Maybe we will go fishing in the evening, or maybe some of us will sit around the fire and sing together. What about your plans? Are you going somewhere for the holidays? Looking forward to your answer. Best wishes, Joe. Kayaking in the lake and singing songs around the fire. That sounds nice, but what if it rained? Or what about wild animals? I'd like something less extreme. Here's a letter from Anne. She's a nice girl who shares my interests. Where is she now? My parents have sent me there for 2 weeks. You know, I really don't love camping, but this camp is fantastic. There are so many girls who like computing too. I thought I was the only one at school. There are also lots of boys. We're going to the computer museum to see the first computer in the world. Then we are going to a computer park to play the latest computer games and see real robots. Today I've spent a lot of time in front of the screen. Now I'm going to play volleyball with my friends. I think you would like it here. Take care, Anne. Computer camp. That's what I really want. I'd like to go there right now. Computing, volleyball, excursions. Fantastic. I'm going to ask my parents to send me there immediately. Mom? Dad? Well, I hope Tom does go to the camp he's chosen. We're going to learn a lot about other ways to spend our summer holidays. Now let's try to make our own holiday plans.